Hello there. Before we start, kindly like and subscribe now to our channel. And if you don't mind, hit that bell icon so you won't miss a thing. Also, you can follow our social media accounts to get updated. Our Facebook page, send us a friend request in our Facebook account, and also we have our Instagram account. Thank you so much and keep on watching. And before I forgot to tell you again and again, I always said this in my videos that I am not in a quiet place. So if you hear some noise background, I apologize in advance. Thank you for your understanding. Welcome back to Tofu Tutorials, and yes, this video, as I promised, I will recreate the tutorial about how to use VLC Media Player as screen recorder. And this tutorial will be detailed as possible. So let's start now. And if you want to watch the old one, it's linked in our description below. So check it out. Okay. So the first thing we do is um, without audio. So we're going to use VLC Media Player to capture our screen, but without audio. So if you don't have VLC Media Player, you can download it on the internet. It's free. Okay, so double click it. Okay, so the next thing to do is go to Media, here, Media tab, and then open Capture Device. And then in capture mode, you change that to desktop. So desired frame rate for the capture, I will choose 25 because I think it's ideal. So if you know the cartoons or animations, it is made by frames per second. So it means for example, I choose 25, so it means um it is 25 image per second. Okay, that's the meaning of frame rate per second, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so 25. Then I will not click the play button. Rather, I will click the down arrow here, the down arrow sign here, and then convert. Okay, so after that, you should choose this as your profile, video H264 plus MP3 MP4, and then go to settings, hit the settings, and copy this format. So in encapsulation, use MP4 or MOV, and video codec H264. If you don't know how to use these two, you just keep it there. Don't just leave it in defaults. So in encoding parameters, just use this H264. In audio codec, I I'm using MPEG. Okay, but VLC Media Player doesn't really support audio while recording your screen. And then I will hit save. Now, destination file, you choose your destination file where you can save the video. So I will okay, so I choose the desktop as my video location and I named it as video 1. Okay, the moment I start this or I hit the start button, it will automatically recording my screen. Okay, so let's start it. I will click the start button. Okay, so as you can see here below, it started to record my screen. Okay, okay. For example, I will move this. I'm moving this. And now I'm going to stop the video recording. So to do that, go here and then hit the pause the playback button below and then hit X. Okay, refresh. Okay, this is the video 1. And again, before I forgot, using VLC Media Player as screen recorder, it will not show the mouse pointer, your cursor, while recording the screen. it doesn't support that. So I will play the video one. As you can see, there is no mouse pointer there. See, my mouse pointer is missing. It doesn't capture. It didn't capture. Okay. All right. So that's how you can use the VLC Media Player as screen recorder without audio. Now let's move to with audio. Okay. To capture your screen with audio, you need the voice recorder app. And one of our viewers, Mr. Aaron Talks, um, he he said on the comments that internal voice won't be recorded through voice recorder app. He means that if you play a YouTube program, its voice won't be recorded, if any solutions. Okay, so I think you mean if I play a YouTube video, the voice recorder cannot record that sound coming from that video. Is that correct? If I'm correct, let me know in the comments if I'm I'm correct, if I answer your question. Okay, so here we go. Voice recorder app doesn't really record the desktop desktop audio. It doesn't really record the background audio on your PC or computer. Only your voice. Okay, so later on I will show you some other screen recorder app that can record the desktop audio. Okay, don't worry, it's free. Okay, so again, I will open up the VLC Media Player, and this time I'm going to show you how you can use the VLC Media Player with audio. Okay, again, media, same as before, just go to desktop and then decide frame rate, of course, 25 as I put, okay, this arrow here and then convert. Nothing to change. Choose your destination file. I saved it as video2. Okay, before I start this, I will first start the recorder. So I will hit this recorder now. Okay, so now the VLC Media Player is now recording, and also this voice recorder. I will minimize it. And this is how you can record the screen with your voice by using a separate tools. Okay, so I will just end this again. All right, so it is named as recording 8. So this is our video 2. Now to um merge that, we're going to merge that two files, this video file and also the recording file. So I have here Wondershare Filmora, but I will use the default video editor built in the Windows. um, if you didn't know that, your computer Windows has it um, built-in video editor, and it's named as video editor. It's here. It is built in, so you can use it for free, but the tools or the features is very limited. So I will just delete this one because this is a mistake. So okay, there you go. Welcome to video editor, and now I'm going to click the new project. I will show you how you can merge the two files. Okay, sample one. I will rename this as sample one. Okay, now I'm going to add the file from this PC. I'm going to add the video too. Open. Okay, now I will drag this on the storyboard, and I will hit this custom audio because I'm going to input the audio or the recorded file. There we go. Okay. Okay. So add audio file. I'm going to my documents, to my sound recordings. Sound recordings, it's renamed as 8, I think. Okay. So as you can see, you can choose to fade in, fade out there. As you can see here below, this is the beginning and also the end. But I will trim the video where I once started to talk. So I will, let's find out the second I talked.
Okay.
Okay, it's 6 seconds. Okay, I think it's all right. Then I will drag this. There we go. After I drag that, I will hit done. Now I will trim the video that matches to this. Okay, this is the video, and start to trim the video. There we go, and I will hit done. So if I play this video, it will it will we can hear my voice already because we already matched the two files together. We already merged the two files together. So I hope you understand what I'm saying or what I'm pointing out here. Okay, so let's play it.
Okay, so now the VLC Media Player is now recording and also this voice recorder. I will minimize it. And this is how you can record the screen with your voice by using a separate tools. Okay.
All right. So that's how you can use the VLC Media Player with audio. Okay. Yeah. It's a little bit tricky or it's a little bit difficult to use VLC Media Player um, as a screen recorder with audio. So to make your life easier, I'm recommending two free video recorder app or software that you can use. And these two recording app can record the desktop audio. Okay. It can also record the um the YouTube videos. Okay, so I will show you the two free video recording app. Okay, so I come up with a research. I do a research about a free video recorder. So I saw this one. So this is a Debu video capture and screen recording software. It's free to use and it's free to download. I'm using Windows, by the way. So to download this one, you need to click here, not this button here, because I know if you click this button, it's for a purchase. So we're going to stick on the free one. So you can click this one, and if you click this, download the free version here. Um, the exe file or the installer will automatically download to your computer. It doesn't require a huge amount of storage because I think this is just 3 MB, the size of this screen recorder app. So let's see these Zebu video capture. Um, its info. So it says here it can record video as AV, WMV, FLV, MP3, and MP4. So I always use MP4 because that suits very well. You can capture video from a webcam. Also, it has a mouse highlighting. So and you can use video overlay to record your screen and webcam. So let's see anything here. So record anything you want from your computer. I know that this screen recorder doesn't have any time limit, so you can record as long as you want. So the link for this application is on the description, so you might check that out. I link the I link it in the description below. Oh, that's it. And this is the system requirements. So as you can see, it works on Windows 10, and also for the XP or Vista, it works on 64-bit Mac OS. Oh, so it can be downloaded for Mac. Here is it. But um, you can download it here from this one. So it have instructions here. There we go. You can see that. So we're going to try this today. So I'm going to download this now. This one. Click this one. And as you can see, it's only 3 MB. Very small size. It's an installer. Now it's done. Okay, so I downloaded the Devo video capture software, and now I'm going to show you how to install it. So I'm going to double click this one. And and now here we go. So this is the license. Of course, you just scroll that down. I accept, next, and it will installing. So there we go. It created the shortcut, and here is it. Oh, it's so fast. You can see that. Yeah, it now recording, showing my screen now. So I think this is a good start um to practice or to use this as screen recorder. So it says here, watch getting started video tutorials. So if you downloaded if you downloaded this software, there's a pop-up here, the tutorial, and you want to click that and watch the tutorial how to use this one. But I'm not going to watch it because I wanted to try today. So okay, okay, so now I'm going to show you how this works. So if this pops up on your screen, just select this certify that Debu is being used for non-commercial home and use only. So okay, so the first thing I will show you is how you can have your camera here. So the camera overlay. It's first, if you have built-in camera on your laptop, you must open it first. So it will appear later. So I will go here in tools and then check the camera overlay. I will wait it to enable. So make sure it is enabled. I will change that into integrated camera because I'm using OBS. So I will change that into integrated. And that's it. So my camera shows here now. And it is mirrored. So you can resize it if you want. Size, make it bigger, smaller, and change the position of the camera into the middle, top, left, center, or right, bottom. So that's it. And if you wanted to disable it, just uncheck this one and turn off your camera. And then go to tools and then uncheck this camera overlay. Okay, now we're going to record our screen, but first, before I do that, I will show you the destination folder where we can see the saved video. So I'm going to tools again and options. And here in output tab, um, this is the destination folder when we're once done recording our screen. So I can find it on videos and on a separated folder. I will hit OK. Before that, I will go to snapshots. Snapshots is like the screenshot, so it's on pictures and on a separate folder again. So okay, connecting to display. Oh right. So this camera here, this is the screenshot or the print screen option here in Jebu. So let's try by recording our screen. So I will hit this record button, and this is the stop button. So let's let's try it. Jebu will now hidden. Use Control plus F10 to stop recording. So this time, yeah, are you recording a video game or a resume demanding application? If yes, it is recommended to switch debut to the fast capture mode. In this mode, the debut overhead will be minimal while keeping the same video quality. You can always change these modes in record screen as list. So before that, I'm going to current mode. No, use current mode, and there it is. Okay, we will install some components. So there you go, and it's now starting to record my screen. So as you can see, you need internet connection so that you can install that. Um, I don't know what's that, but I think it's extra application to this software. So it is required. So you need an internet connection to download that, but it is very fast. As you can see, I downloaded it as quick as possible. I downloaded it as quick as possible, so I'm going to check it out here first in my downloads menu. Oh, there is it. It's an application. So I think we need to install this one. There we go. Do you want to run this file? You may um run that or cancel it. I think it's not necessary, but it is required to download that, as you can see, so um we can start recording our screen. So again, if you saw that again, you need to have an internet connection, and it will automatically download, starting to download. So um, but don't worry, it's just a kilobyte, so it doesn't require a large amount of storage. So that's it. So it's starting to download here. As you can see, I'm using OBS, by the way, so that's why I can capture my screen. So this is the pause button and this is the stop button. So if I minimize this, I can this will not show in the screen, but I will use Control F10 to stop the record. So I will just stop here, or just, oh, there's a hotkey there. It says F7. So if you press F7, it will stop the video recorded. And it's now starting to record my screen. So as you can see, uh, you need um you need internet connection so that you can install that. Um, I don't know what's that, but I think it's extra application to this software. So it is required. So you need an internet connection to download that. But okay, so the next one. For the last one, I will recommend you to use is the OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a great application I use for screen recording, and it helps me a lot by making tutorial videos. So OBS Studio is free to download. Check the description box below, and I link it down in our description so you can um, check that website and download it for free. It works both on Mac and Windows. So this is the interface of the um, OBS Studio, and you can set this up by going to Tool tabs here above. So as you can see, there is an auto configuration wizard. If I am not mistaken, this auto configuration wizard option is the set up option of OBS, so it recommends you the best settings for your Microsoft Office, Microsoft operating system. So if you're using a lower version of a lower version of Windows, sorry. If you're using a lower version of Windows, then Auto Configuration Wizard is um ha has to do with the work that recommends recommends the best settings for your operating system. So I'm not really sure about this, but you can watch other content creators on YouTube that creating tutorials about how to download OBS, how to set up OBS. So there are a lot of content creators on YouTube, so you might check that out too. So here in OBS, I use this for screen recording. Here are the buttons here to stop recording, to start recording, and also I have the hotkeys. If you wish to have the hotkeys or the shortcut keys, you can go to File tab here above. So this um, you can choose the settings here. This is the settings, and if you click on settings, the settings tab will or the settings window will appear. So let us wait, and there you go. So if I go here to hotkeys, you can customize your hotkeys here. You can write your own hotkeys. Okay. So to have your camera, if you wish to have camera while you're recording, you can go here on the sources tab, here the add button, and you can choose the video capture device. If you click that, mm, this window will pop up, and it will tell you to here create new, add existing, uh, put a check on your make source visible, and then hit OK. If you hit OK, then your camera will automatically placed in your screen recording. So I hit cancel because I'm not yet making videos out of I'm not making yet videos that requires me to um see myself. And for Mr. Aaron Talks, you said few days ago about um the voice recorder app. It doesn't record the YouTube program. So I hope this is what you mean. So um, it is called the desktop audio, I think. And if I play one of these videos, so it must record also the audio of these videos, right? So I will show you my OBS app, and I will minimize it so you can see the desktop audio. So this is the desktop audio here. This thing here. So the desktop audio is the sound that's coming from my computer, and if I play one of this video, it must record also the audio. So it's as you can see here, my mic it's playing, right? So it's playing because I'm talking. So the desktop audio must also play. So let's try by playing this use VLC video here. Let's see. Oh god, my internet is so slow and sorry for that. Okay, so if I play this video, the desktop audio should play also. So let's try.
Welcome back to Tofu tutorial.
So did you see that? It moved again.
Today's video is all about how to use VLC Media Player as screen recorder. So VLC doesn't support audio, which means it doesn't record audio or your voice. But in this video, we're going to show you how to use VLC as screen.
So OBS recorded that audio. So I hope Mr. Aaron talks. I have clearly stated or I have answered your question, your suggestion. And thank you so much for that. And also I will show you the video, the recent video, so I can show you that it totally works, that you can capture the desktop audio for the sound of the videos in YouTube. So I'm just going to here in my um, file explorer on videos, and I will play it for you so you can see uh, that it actually works. So and I play that video, so it must it must hear we must hear the audio of that uh, YouTube video. So this is the video. Okay, so if I play this video, the desktop audio should play also. So let's try.
Welcome back to Tofu tutorial.
So did you see that? It moved again.
Today's video is all about how to use VLC Media Player as screen recorder.
So as you can see there, the video and the audio was also recorded. So thank you so much again for watching, and I hope you liked this video. You learned something new, and I helped you a lot. Thank you so much. And if I help you, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon there. So again, if you're looking for um, different video tutorials I create, just go to playlist, because I created a playlist, so I organize things here because I use a random niche on my channel, and then I I put that on different playlists. So it's it's like a category. So it could be a vlog zone category, an MS Word video lessons category, a PC zone category, a Photoshop zone category, Adobe Audition zone. Again, my channel is a lot about a video tutorials that um I have experience, and I wanted to share my knowledge to you. And so again, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified when I uploaded another video tutorial. Thank you so much, and I hope you're having a great day. Stay safe and stay awesome. See you on our next video. Bye.